Hello everyone, this is the 10th video of Database Management Systems video series. So today we are going to discuss question set 10. We'll see the question. Kapitigolla Central College was the only active school in the area during the war season. There were only 15 students in the school. Also, there were only 5 teachers and one of them was the principal of the school. The principal decided to add all students' details in a student's attendance marking system so he would be able to mark the attendance after the main morning assembly at once. Think you are a reputed database engineer and the principal requested to make a database while another developer is developing the system. The details have been given below. So they have given the details. First they have said create a database name Kapitigolla School and insert this data into the tables graphically. Okay, first we'll create the database. Okay, here we'll use MySQL Workbench Software. To do this, we'll draw ER diagram. File, new model. Here we have to give the database name. We have to give name reference. Okay, now we can draw the ER diagram here. First, we have to create the student table. We'll take a table and rename it as student. And I'll give the ID to increment. Then name, I'll give Vacha 100. Birthday, date. Next, grade. That's all. That's all for student table. Okay, this is our student table. Next, we'll create the grade table. ID and grade. Grade. Next, village table, ID village. Village table, ID, auto increment, village. Next, we have to create transport table. We'll take another table, transport. Here we have to give ID and transportation method. ID auto increment transportation method. Okay, we have now created the tables. Now we have to build relationships between these tables. So here one student have only one village, but one village can have more than one student, so there's a one-to-many relationship here. Next, one student have only one grade, but one grade can have many students, so they are also one-to-many relationship. We denote one-to-many relationships using this notation here. And also one student have only one transportation method, but one transportation method can be used by many students, so there also one-to-many relationship is there, like this. Okay, now we have created the database. Next, we have to add this data to the database. So first we have to forward engineer this ER diagram and make the tables. We have to go to database, forward engineer. Next, 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 close. Okay, we have forward engineered the database. Now we have to refresh here. Here is a database. We have 4 tables here. Now we have to add this data to the database. We'll add data through HeidiSQL software. First we'll add the grade. So grade six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we can add the village table data. 1 Padaviya, next Bulneva, next Medavachiya, next Nachiyagama, then Palugaswell. Okay, now we'll add transportation methods: bus, foot, motor bicycle. bicycle school van. Now we can add data to the student table. First, Saman Kumara. Birthday, then grades 611. Next. Okay, I have added all the records to the database. Now we'll see the question. After you created the database, the principal wanted to check your database for bugs. He has given you some scenarios. Read them carefully and write queries to get results. First one, select all students who study in grade 6. Use join queries. So now we are going to write join queries. Here, now they have said us to select all students who study in grade 6. Select all from table name student. Here we have to join the student table and also the grade table to get the students who are in grade 6. So we are going to join grade table. Inner join the table, we are going to join grade on student dot grade id equal grade dot id, where grade dot grade equals 6. So this is the query to find all the students who are in grade 6. We'll execute the query. Here you can see students in grade 6 has been displayed. Next we'll go to the next question. Select birthdays of the students who have come from Padaviya by bus. So we have to select the birthdays of the students who have come from Padaviya by bus. Here we have to select from student where here we have to join the village table on where village equal Padaviya. So this is the query to find the birthdays of the students who are in Padaviya. We'll execute this query. Okay, you can get the birthdays of the students. Next question. Select the names of the students who study at grade 9 and comes from Mihintale on foot. So here we have to find the names of the students. So select name from student. Here we have to join grade table, grade dot id equals student dot grade id. Then we have to inner join village table, here student dot village id equal village dot id, and also we have to inner join transport table, transport dot id equal student dot transport id, where transport dot transport method equal food and village dot village equal Mihintale and grade dot grade equal 9. So this is the query for the last question. We'll execute. Okay, we have taken the names of the students who are in grade 9, comes from Mihintale by foot. So this is question set 10. This is the end of my video. Thank you.